Hey Doomlanders, it's DoomFlash23 and I'm back with another LEGO Marvel review. And today we're looking at the Spider-Man vs. Venom's muscle car. So I'm going to move this off to the side for now. And here's the box. Really neat details going on here. It actually looks like the car is moving with like tire screeches and everything, so it looks like it came from a bank. This set number is 76309. Its piece count is 254. Some more cool details on the back. This set itself was no more than 2 bags. The manual, as far as any other manual goes, shows you guys how to build it. Enough about that. On to the characters. So, of course, we have Venom with his tendrils. We got Spider-Man with the web shooters. And then we got Spider-Woman with the web piece. Now, this web piece actually does bend in like this. So you can trap a minifigure inside. I do believe she has the Venom symbiote with her, or a part of a symbiote with her. Now, on to the car itself. So this car is a really cool looking design for a muscle car. We also got the safe, and the safe does open, and we got some gold in there. There's also another spot where you can put the gold on the car. I also like this detail on the back of the car. I think it's really neat. I'll fix that later. Underneath the hood of said car is the engine, like so. Okay, we're just gonna put that back on. You can also remove the hood, well, the roof, and the gold from earlier from the safe you can put in the car. You also got enough room to put Venom in the car. This is what Venom looks like when he's in the car. So to get him in the car, with these tendrils, you can fold back the tendrils like so. And then we can put the roof back on the car. And then we also have these spring-loaded shooters. I shall give a demonstration. Peace.